an announcement that they made. I just heard it. There was an announcement that was going to be made, so we're ready for you guys.
We can dedicate to her. Yes, let's do this. We can all sing along.
Oh no, everybody.
Backstage, can you guys hear me now? All right, so yeah, scream louder, come on. Louder. Yes, so you guys, the next song is very special song, and we have someone special. Okay, he wanted to dedicate this song to his fiancée. All right, you guys, come on. So I'd like to go ahead and call out Shane Yang or Shaggy. Can you please come on stage, please? Come on, Shane Yang. Come on. Come on stage. So Illusion's gonna sing this special song, Happy Birthday to You, so I want you on stage. Thank you. You know what? It takes a lot of courage for a guy to do something really big like this for his girlfriend or fiance. So show some, I don't know, show some 给种 share 不要 yeah. Alright, so Michelle, you probably have to go through the fence. Yeah, up here. So let me grab her a chair. So Michelle, are you here? Can you guys see her? She sits right here. Yeah, right under the light. All right, where is she?
Where do we go?
I can tell you that they didn't tell me who her fiance is, so I don't know the name of her fiance. All right, but he will come out a little bit. So Michelle, I'd like to invite you to sit right here, so that way Illusion can sing this very nice song to you. It's from your fiance, so I hope that you like it. Because I know I will like it. All right, you guys, come on, okay? Okay, both days on Georgia, yes.
Test, mic check, testing, 1, 2, check. All right, guys, come on. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, I'm gonna do this song, Happy Birthday. Put your phones up, put your flashlights on. We're gonna rock with this last song, all right? So let's do it right.
What is her name? Her name!
Birthday, Mom. I hope you're hiking.
Sorry about that, guys.